This Blue Diamond Pro Skillet is designed to make cooking easier. It has a special non-stick surface. This surface is infused with diamonds. Because of this, food will slide right off. Cleaning up afterwards will be simple. You won't need to scrub hard. And it is dishwasher safe. This skillet aims to be a helpful tool in your kitchen, not just another piece in the cupboard. The Blue Diamond Pro Skillet is made with layers of stainless steel. These layers help the pan heat up evenly, so you won't have hot spots that burn your food. It's also safe to use in the oven and under the broiler. This makes it versatile for many cooking choices. The handle is strong, so you can hold it safely. This skillet wants to support your cooking, whether you are making an egg or something more complex. This Blue Diamond Pro Skillet is also made without harmful chemicals. It is free of PFAs and PFOA. This can give you peace of mind while you cook for your family. It's built to be durable, so it should last. While it might not be as exciting as getting new toys, having reliable kitchen tools is important. This skillet aims to be a dependable part of your daily cooking account. Pros: diamond infused, ceramic non-stick, PFAs, PFOA free, dishwasher safe, oven safe, broiler safe. Durable, even heating, stainless steel, metal utensil safe. Cons: some food can stick, non-stick may not last long, can lose non-stick over time, might have unpleasant taste, non-stick needs care, low to medium heat advised. Some say it's not non-stick. Quality issues reported. False advertising claims, not ideal for high heat features. 8-inch size, stainless steel, non-stick, diamond infused, PFAs, PFOA free, dishwasher safe. Oven safe, broiler safe, durable build, even heating. The Blue Diamond HD stainless steel clad Pro 8 frypan skillet is a silver 8-inch cooking pan made with stainless steel and a diamond-infused ceramic nonstick surface. This pan is designed to heat food evenly and is built to last. It's safe to use in the dishwasher, oven, and broiler, and it's made without PFAs and PFOA. This means it's a durable and convenient option for everyday cooking. The Blue Diamond HD stainless steel clad Pro 8 frypan skillet is designed for even heating and durability with its stainless steel layers and aluminum core. It features a diamond-infused ceramic nonstick surface that is free of PFAs and PFOA and is claimed to be metal utensil safe. Although some users have reported food sticking, the pan is also dishwasher, oven, and broiler safe. However, some customers have noted that the non-stick quality may decrease over time, and there have been reports of quality issues and potential false advertising regarding its non-stick capabilities, with low to medium heat being generally advised for use.